Hello everyone, myself Mohammad Ashid from class 7th B along with my few classmates is going to explain you about the topic mensuration. Mensuration means perimeter and area. Now what do you mean by perimeter and area? The length of the boundary of the closed figure is called perimeter. The inner surface of the closed figure is called area. Now here I would like to explain you about the first shape, triangle. A triangle in essence is the strongest and most fundamental polygon defined by just 3 straight sides and 3 vertices. Its properties are consistent and elegant. First, the perimeter is the total distance around the outside of the triangle. We can calculate it by adding the length of 3 sides together. Perimeter is side A plus side B plus side C. Second, the area measures the amount of flat space the triangle occupies. The inner surface of the triangle is called the area of the triangle is just half of the corresponding rectangle or parallelogram. Area is half into base into height. Now here I would like to call Face to explain you about the parallelogram.
The perimeter of parallelogram is the total length of its boundary. You can calculate by adding the length of all 4 sides, or more simply using the formula of perimeter 2 into A plus B, where A and B are the length of adjacent sides. The area of parallelogram is the measure of the two-dimensional space it occupies. The formula to find it is area B into H, where B is the length of base and H corresponding perpendicular height. Now here I call upon Uday to explain square and formula.
Square is a closed figure with 4 equal sides and 4 corners. The perimeter of square is side into side. Area of square is multiplied by side into side. Now here I would like to call Tabish to explain circle and formula.
A circle is a round shaped figure that has no corners and no sides. The perimeter of circle is 2 pi r and the area of the circle is pi r square. Now here I call upon Jian to explain the pentagon.
Pentagon is a polygon with 5 straight sides. The perimeter is the total length around the outside edge. If all sides are equal, then the perimeter is simply 5 times the side length. The area of the polygon, the inner surface of the boundary. You can find the area of the pentagon by the formula half into base algorithm. Now here I call upon Taura to explain you about octagon.
Now I am going to say what is octagon. Octagon is a polygon that has 8 sides, 8 angles and 8 vertices. Now I call Zubia to tell what is conjugation.
So I am going to tell you about confusion. Parameter tell us how long boundaries of a shape is, and the area tell us how much space it covers. Even the same parameter can have different area. This relationship helps us to which space use more efficiently.
Thank you.